Welcome to our new video. Today we are talking about stress-free living, tips and techniques for a healthier mind. Are you feeling stressed and overwhelmed? We all go through times of stress and it can take a toll on our mental and physical health, but there are ways to manage it and improve our overall well-being. In this video, we'll be discussing various strategies and techniques for reducing stress and improving mental health. Whether you're dealing with a difficult work or family situation, or just feeling the pressure of everyday life, these tips can help you find more peace and balance in your life. One of the most effective ways to reduce stress is to engage in regular physical activity. Exercise can help to release endorphins, which are natural mood boosters, and can also improve sleep and reduce anxiety. Whether you prefer to go for a run, take a yoga class, or simply go for a walk, the important thing is to find an activity that you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and deep breathing, can also be helpful in reducing stress. These practices can help to focus the mind and promote relaxation, which can in turn help to reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. Mindfulness meditation can be as simple as focusing on your breath or repeating a mantra. There are also many apps and online resources that can guide you through mindfulness practices if you're not sure where to start. Another important aspect of managing stress is to take a step back and assess your priorities. Make a schedule or to-do list and try to prioritize self-care and relaxation time in your daily routine. This could mean setting aside time each day for meditation, reading, or simply doing something that you enjoy. It's also important to practice self-care and take time for yourself. This could mean taking a relaxing bath, getting a massage, or going for a nature walk. It's important to find activities that help you relax and de-stress. Another way to reduce stress is to talk to someone about it. Whether it's a friend, family member, or therapist, having a support system can make a big difference in your mental health. Sometimes it can be hard to express our thoughts and feelings, but talking to someone can help you process and understand what you're going through. Remember, stress is a normal part of life, but it's important to take steps to manage it. By incorporating physical activity, mindfulness practices, a support system, and self-care into your daily routine, you can improve your mental health and reduce stress. Remember to take care of yourself and don't be afraid to reach out for help when you need it.